Hey y'all, today we're going to be doing a cardio workout. So today we're going to start off with jump ropes. You got about 5 seconds until we start.
Exercise.
Actually, that was only like 3 seconds. Sorry about that. Remember that this is only a 20-second workout with 10 seconds of rest in between. This is called a Tabata. If you don't know what Tabata is, please go look it up.
Rest.
It's a really great form of workout. It really gets your heart pumping and it's really good for you. So the second one we're going to be doing is kettlebell swings.
Exercise.
Remember, 20 seconds on of this kettlebell swing, and then we're going to move on to toe taps.
Rest.
If you don't have this equipment, you can always do jumping jacks in place of it because that doesn't require any kind of equipment.
Exercise.
And that's a really good alternative. All right, toe taps. Next, we're going to be doing jumping jacks.
Rest.
It's an oldie but goodie. It works out everything. Sometimes I just do that while I'm waiting on the microwave. I'll just do however many jumping jacks I can do in the seconds I have left. And sometimes I'll use an elastic band around my legs when I do jumping jacks. It gives your legs a really great workout, FYI. If you have an elastic band
Rest.
or a booty band, then I would try and use that. I should have grabbed mine. I didn't think about it at the time.
Exercise.
Next, we're going to be doing jump squats. At this point, I was just so out of breath. My legs were killing me because I did a whole leg workout yesterday, so my legs were on fire already. There was no way I was going to be able to talk during this video.
Rest.
Next, we're going to be doing curtsy lunges. It's a lunge to the side, but I'm going to be adding a jump to it just to make it cardio worthy. This is a really great side booty workout. I have really bad hip dips, and if you don't know what that is, you should look that up too.
Rest.
It's actually really common. Alright, next is butt kickers. Get ready.
Exercise.
We're almost done.
Rest.
This is the last exercise, so we're almost done here. We're going to be doing mountain climbers. You don't really even need a mat for this. I just used a mat because the concrete hurts my hands.
Exercise.
And as always, Zoe has to intervene in my workout. She wants to lay on my mat every single time. She thinks it's her mat. Four seconds.
Rest.
All right.